Now, you may have heard about the supply chain issues. Well, I'm here to tell you they're real. These magazines that we just received from Practical Publishing were sent to us in November, and they just arrived in February. Oh, timely. But you get the savings. So this is Papercraft Essentials issue 203, and it has some really amazing things in it. Now, I'm covering up the pages that I'll show you in a second. But this has got a Build a Wreath kit, all-in-one kit. It's got hundreds of images, die-cut images, 100 of them foiled, 120 not foiled. It also has sentiments and all sorts, and papers also. So let me just show you. It comes in a pad, and this is going to have the sheets. That's kind of fun. You've got that cut out right there, and you're going to get 3 of these sheets, and they are layered, so each of these is creating a wreath, and then it has a centerpiece. So you get 3 of those. Then you get 3 of these, so you've got swags, you've got some other things, you've got some greetings. Again, these are all die cut for you. So you get 3 of those, and then you get this sheet of bows, so that's nice. Then you get 3 sheets of foiled images, so that's really fun. So you can decorate your paper wreaths. Then you're going to get papers, and there are 8 of them, so you can see there's the whitewash wood, you've got stars, poinsettias. You've got 4 different scenes, and you'll see in the magazine how you might use those. Another wood, packages, some stripes, and then we duplicate them. So there you go. And actually there are 10 papers. I said 8. There are 10. Okay, now altogether 352 pieces. That's not bad. And let me show you the magazine. This, as I said, is Papercraft Essentials. We'll get into this. And let me just show you some pages and ideas that caught my eye. This is called Sweet to Sensation, and whether or not you have these particular stamps is kind of not the issue, but I thought it was fun to see the craft paper stamped with white, and it gives a very gingerbread look. And I thought that might be a nice idea for something that you already have. Now, Autumn Days, I'm showing here, this is from Hunky Dory. I'm showing you that because we do still have some Autumn Days from the Autumn Days collection, so that's nice. Now, Nikki has done an article using blue jeans. Yes, so if they're faded and torn and that's not really your style, you can use them for card making. I love the pocket there. Very, very fun. You can stamp on them, you can paint them, you can do all sorts of things. So that's really fun to see, and a different idea. This is an ad for Paper Discovery's Rustic Christmas. Again, I think we have a few of these left, so that's just really nice to share with you. Now, this is a look of stained glass, but it's using vellum. And we do have vellum. In fact, we have vellum with dots on it, which would be beautiful with this. So you're actually stamping on or coloring onto the vellum and then putting it onto your project. And they do have some step-by-step guides for you, which is really, really helpful. So that's nice. You can also do it with a mandala shape. That's going to work well for dazzles too, so you might think about that. This is using your kit, so that's what we're going to see right here, and some many ways of using it. So let's get started. Here are nested circle dies, and just cutting those papers, and then the die cuts will fit right inside. So that works nicely. I thought that was pretty on that wood, that whitewash wood. Here we have another one. I thought this was really fun with the different colors of the papers, the different ones done in triangles, so that's nice. There is one of the fireplaces that we saw, and a way that you can use it in a card that's going to stand up. Here we have more ideas, more colors, more different styles of cards, which I really appreciate. And you know, when you're done with that kit, you can use those styles for so many other things. Again, here are 3 of them. So we've got fireplaces, we've got doorways, and lots of ways that you can decorate them pretty quickly, I think, to make some very fast cards. And I will guarantee you Christmas is coming this year too, just down the road. Now these are very different cards. You've got some interactive cards, as you can see. They're giving you some tips and so forth, so that's nice to see. And let me pull in here some three-dimensional, so there's an easel card, and I thought this was a really cute tag and a nice idea, and tags are a good thing to have this season. Now these are Floral Eternal, and I thought this was really nice. A different way to make cards out of 3-inch squares of paper. So you can use lots of different kinds of paper, especially specialty papers. Makes that so nice. These are some ways to use some words, and I thought doing the background was nice. A great big Merry and a little tiny Christmas. I hadn't seen that before. You can see the variety of them. So just so many things, including that 352 piece of a Build a Wreath collection. This is Papercraft Essentials, Better Late Than Never, issue number 203, exclusively here at paperwishes.com.